Hi everyone, I'm Anna, a machine learning engineer here at Lightning. I'm here to show you how to use our experiment tracking tool to manage all your training runs in Lightning using our LitLogger library. Right now we're in a Lightning studio, and I'll run a training script without any artifact logging, or experiment logging for that matter. I'm going to stop the existing run and add in experiment management using LitLogger. In just 2 lines of code, we can add experiment tracking and artifact management. Please visit our docs to get more examples of the code you might need for your particular use case. Now, we can import the LitLogger library and pass the logger object to our trainer function. Rerun the script, and now we'll see our experiment initialized. Easy. Now, when we follow the link to our experiments page, we see the experiment logs, including metrics like epochs and loss. You can refer to our Lightning docs to see how you can log any additional metrics you may need for your particular training run. It's a very flexible and modular API. The About page also lets you track hyperparameters, metrics, and artifacts. Another helpful component of our experiment management is we've not only logged the experiment we ran, the status of it, and how long it took, but we've also logged the exact command we used and the exact environment we ran that command on. We have the operating system, Python version, and Logger version. Anything you might need or could think of to set up that exact environment, exact experiment again. Given the ability to run experiments on a variety of machines or clouds in our Lightning platform, this becomes very useful to track down a run's exact configuration. We can also track artifacts such as config files, log files, and media. In this example, there isn't any media yet. Now, let's make a change to the training script. I'll update the number of layers from 2 to 3 and run it again. Once it finishes, we will have 2 experiments that we can now compare in a table view or visualize in a side-by-side view to better understand how our different configurations performed. The table view also makes it easy to compare hyperparameters alongside the experiment results themselves. Next, let's look at a training run that logs media. Media can be images, videos, or audio. I'll switch to a different training file, run it, and open the results. Alongside the metrics, we can now view generated images from our training run. We can step through the outputs frame by frame and see how the results evolve throughout training. Finally, let's run a second experiment with the same workflow. Once it's complete, we can compare both runs side by side, including their media outputs. This makes it easy to see how different parameters affect both model performance and generated outputs over time. Comparing experiments this way helps you quickly identify which configuration is producing the best results. This makes it easy to see how changes to your model or training configuration affect performance and output quality over time. All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.